Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will do an activity. Fill in the missing numbers. Students, what's this? This is 1. What's this? This is 3. Which number is missing? Number 2. Now write down number 2. 1, 2, 3. Students, what's this? 4. 4, 5. Which number is missing? Number 6. Now write down number 6. 4, 5, 6. What's this? 8. What's this? 10. Which number is missing? Number 7. Now write down number 7. 8. Which number is missing? Number 9. Now write down number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now students, come to our maths book page number 5. Fill in the missing numbers. 1, 3. Which number is missing? Number 2. Now write down number 2. 3, 5. Which number is missing? Number 4. 5, 7. Which number is missing? Number 6. 7, 9. Which number is missing? Number 8. Now write down number 8. 9. Which number is missing? 10. Now write down number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now students, this is your homework. Write the missing numbers on book page number 5. Best of luck.